Enjoy your day, feel the vibe. Grateful for this beautiful life, a gift from above, pure and true, wrapped in love, just for you. Enjoy your day.